Okay, beta, we are live. So, welcome to APSB webinar or live classes. I welcome all of you. So, we are here to discuss about the live classes and how you are spending your lockdown period at home, how you are fighting with COVID-19. So, I invite Simar and Khushi to express their views. Simar, unmute yourself. Khushi, sorry, Isha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Simar, how you are fighting with COVID-19?
Actually nowadays I'm learning like not only studies but also I've learned to new skills and I'm evaluating myself and I'm trying to find like new hobbies and all. Like I've learned many new things during this. I'm helping my parents in household chores
Okay,
and stuff.
okay. Now, what about the live classes, beta? You are finding it useful?
Yes, sir. The live classes
What?
are helping me with my studies, sir.
Okay. Should we go ahead with this live classes till 31st? 30th?
Yes, sir.
30th.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, how about APSB initiative about the live classes? You are having all your live classes. So, it is a good idea or it is burdening you?
So it's a good idea because it's better to be safe than to be sorry.
Okay. Is it affecting your studies? Will it it is ये आपके लिए यूजफुल है या ये आपको लग रहा है कि नहीं आपको बर्डन दे रहा है ज्यादा?
No, sir. Actually, teachers are helping us, and with all they're providing us with all the study materials, and they're helping us in like live classes, and they're trying their best. So I don't think even the children are playing their part in this. So I'm finding
Right.
it very useful.
Thank you, Simar.
Thank you so much.
Now go on mute mode. Now Isha, Khushi, you can express your views.
So in
Isha,
lockdown period, we'll get time for our studies. Means more time for our self studies, and so
and
we are also getting our time for more activities rather than studying. And so live classes are also
Okay.
very good. They are making us studying at home and also helping us in clearing our doubts.
okay. So you are finding it good.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am giving the chance to Khushi. Khushi,
Yes, sir. So this time is actually very challenging, but also amazing opportunity to learn our skills, to grow our skills, test our capabilities, and many things. We can do many extra things which we don't have time for do, but now we can do.
okay.
And our classes are going on. They are very helpful for us. Our teachers are also doing very efforts to help in our studies. We can give a lot of time to self study as well.
Okay, thank you. Now I am calling the name
Thank you.
who is the person who is behind this all these webinars and all. Bajwa, what all you have learned from this lockdown period? Bajwa had participated with me in every event. Bajwa,
Uh, First of all, sir, I will thank you for this kind of initiative to make the classes live because many students are not able to uh, do their work and are not doing their work as the work is coming on the WhatsApp. So making the classes live make the doubts clear also, and there is face-to-face chatting, and the lockdown period is going on good, and because there is much time to spend with family and more time to give to self studies and uh,
okay, Bajwa.
making the
Please tell
learning
me,
fun.
it is good to having live classes in APS Bikaner. It is a good initiative by APS Bikaner, or it is burdening you with more and more studies.
Yes, it is a good initiative taken by APS Bikaner because board classes are very important classes for every school and every student, and these know a single moment and a single day is very important for a child who is in board class, and to help these children, our teachers are working very hard, and I thank you our teachers for helping us.
Okay, Bajwa. So, as a student, as a part of the testing team of the computer science, what all you have learned in this lockdown period?
Yes, sir, I have tried many apps which I don't know previously, and I made new things and tried new ways to go wide in these computer science subject, and on the apps also which our
Okay,
school has had to test.
okay. Thank you, Bajwa. Shubham is there. Shubham, I think some technical problem is there, so no issues. We can go with Seni. Seni. I am inviting Ankit Seni. Ankit Seni, are you there?
Yes, sir.
I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about the lockdown period, and is these live classes are helpful to you or not?
Yes, sir. So first of all, I thank you to give me opportunity to speak on this topic. Live classes are very useful for all the students because we are safe as well as studying at home. Apart from these studies, we are developing our hobbies and start start learning positive use of technology. I also thank all the teachers who are working hard for us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Seni. And now I think Shubham is back. So I am giving the chance to Shubham also to speak on the topic. Shubham, are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me about your views about the lockdown period, how you are fighting with the lockdown period, and what about the live classes of APSB?
In the lockdown, sir, we are finding the lockdown to be beneficial for us as we are having ample time to do self studies also and to develop ourselves as a good thing. We are able to develop our hobbies and everything is getting positive in it. Also, about the live classes of APS Bikaner, it is also benefiting us a lot because if the live classes were not there, then we will not be able to study properly as our teachers are able to interact with us. So I am finding it very beneficial, and I think we should get the most out of this lockdown period and this coronavirus.
Thank you, Shubham. Now we should wind up this. So I am giving again the girls the chance to speak something more. Simar, you want to
Yes,
add
sir.
something? What message you want to give to your classmates?
So then we fight this together, and I also want to thank the teachers and the principal to take in major initiatives to help us with our studies during this
Thank you.
tough times.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
sir.
Simar. So Khushi, you want to add something?
So, and be safe, be at home, and precaution is better than cure. So, be at home and study, and that's all.
Okay. Now,
Thank you.
Isha, you are live now, and I think you all will become the APS star very soon. So, what are your views about this lockdown period? And you find it useful live classes? So, we should continue with this live classes till May end, or we should stop this?
So we should continue this till May because there is no other. So there is no other. So,
Yes, go on.
so we don't have any other options other than live classes for studying, and so it is better. It's very good that teachers are interacting with student in such a situation, and they are making student learn and understand the concepts of studies. And so we are in 12th class, so we need this help.
Okay, thank you, Isha. So, finally, the last word from the computer side, the computer team. Bajwa, please add something more. Your message for your classmates. Unmute. Okay, I think some technical problem. Okay, yeah, we are getting you. Speak.
I only want to say that we all will meet very soon in school, and all of you be at home and be safe and secure, and do not go out of your homes, and wear masks and say use of sanitizer. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So let's cheer for APS Bikaner. 3 cheers for APS Bikaner. Okay, right. So say the charming word. 3 cheers for the APS Bikaner.
3 cheers for the APS Bikaner.
Right. Thank you. Thank you all. Now you can watch your live transmission also. I am sending the link. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.